Hello and welcome to Matt's Garage. Today I want to show you how I put together this welding table. Not so much how I welded it together, but what I decided on from a mounting perspective. What welding table, you say? Let's take a look. It's hiding back there. I'm going to move the milling station out of the way. And this was part of the design consideration for the project, which is, can I have a welding table, but not have yet another, 4 foot by 2 foot cart sitting around taking up space in the shop? And the solution I came up with, and I'll insert some clips of the construction, was to get some heavy duty bearing mounts, which you can see here, a 5/8 inch steel rod, and just to ledger this piece of 2x8 material into the wall. I was careful to avoid any wires. I used ledger locks that you would use on building a deck to attach a ledger to the outside of your house. And although I don't have the final legs in place, I'm just using some 2x4s. What it does is very nicely hinges up. Eventually I'll have some metal legs that will uh, be a little more permanent. But for now, I put these wooden legs in place, and I've got a very nice welding table surface. So like I said, this is going to be a short one. I'm just going to briefly show you a couple of clips from the assembly process, but really very simple. This is the 2 foot by 4 foot welding tabletop from TMR Customs, a very good company. They make a lot of cool stuff. And I'm not sure if you can see in the video, I've used it a bit. I'm still learning how to weld, but it's been a very fine surface. Beats using the old cookie sheet that I was using. So stay tuned. I'll show you a couple of things, and then we'll come back and finish up. You see I cut away a section of the sheetrock in the garage near the welding outlet that you can see there to the upper right. That's going to be just about the right size to fit a 6 foot long 2x8 ledger. I'm going to double up some 2x8s, ledger them into the wall with ledger lock screws, and then I'm going to mount some bearing brackets on that wood to mount the welding table. So stay tuned, and I'll walk you through how I do this. And here's the ledger board that I'm going to attach to the wall. It has these two fairly heavy-duty bearing mounts on it. And over here you can see both the welding table and that black rod is going to essentially act as the hinge, and it's going to go through a series of the 5/8 holes in the back of the welding table, and on either end it's going to go into the bearings. And it really isn't going to be supporting much weight too often. I will build some front legs onto the welding table, so I think this is going to be a good solution. Let's put it together. All right, we're back. Just a little off-camera wrap up. You can see some of my welding gear here and the plasma cutter. And again, this was a fun project, very simple to do. I learned a lot about welding by having to weld the ribs onto the back of the table. So yeah, I have a welding solution now. Hope you like this. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I love bringing this content to you. And we'll see you next time in Matt's Garage. Go build something.